Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Calendar, but mostly Number Talk. It is officially Wednesday. We are halfway through the week, and it is April 8th. So get those pencils warmed up and ready so we can write today's date two ways. Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. We know that April is the fourth month of the new year, so you can put 4/8/2020 as well. You should be professionals by now writing the date and knowing if you would rather write the month, the date, and the year, or the number version of the month, the date, and the year. Now remember, it's a cool week because our day of the month also matches our day in Number Talk. So when you're ready, put an 8 in the center of your paper so we can see how many ways we can show 8. Number 8. And you know the first thing that we always do every day for 8 days so far is draw a 10 frame. Let's draw that 10 frame and fill it in with 8. Now, have we reached 10 yet? Nope, but we are getting awfully close. As soon as you draw your 10 frame, put your 8 to represent in your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you show your 8 in your 10 frame, you know what to do. Put it in the number chart, the 10s and 1s chart. Let's draw our rectangle, cut it into 2 pieces, show how many 10s and how many 1s. With the number 8, do we have any 10s yet? Have we filled a 10 frame? Nope, so that's got to stay 0, but we are getting closer every day. So we have not filled any 10 frames, but we do have 8 1s. So put 8 in the 1 spot. Now, 8, when you try to spell it, is a really challenging word. It doesn't look the way you think it would. 8. A-T-E. That's what I heard anyway when I sounded out 8. Now, is this the same thing as the number 8? No, of course not. This is 8 as in like I ate food. Now, 8 is different because you spell it with E-I-G-H-T. Now, does that look anything like that? No, so 8 is just one of those weird numbers that's just like the number 2 with a W that you just kind of have to remember that 8 is going to look a little bit different than any of the other numbers. It doesn't sound out the exact same way. E-I-G-H-T. Now, let's show 8 tallies up in the corner. You should be able to do this on your own by now. Go ahead, get started. Show me 8 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross it out. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the fun part where we start adding things up to equal 8. Now, we always start with 0. 0 plus 8 equals 8. I'm a smart kid, so I flip it. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Now, let's try 1. 1 plus what equals 8? Or what plus 1 equals 8? Because I'm a smart kid and flip it. Once you solve that, you can go on to the number 2. 2 plus what equals 8? Or what plus 2 equals 8? And so on and so forth. 1, let's count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now, there are more addition problems out there, guys. Now, I've run out of room on my board, but I'm sure you haven't run out of room on your paper. So, start with 3. 3 plus what equals 8? 4 plus what equals 8? See if you can figure it out on your own. And after you've solved it, move on down. Go to the Get Crazy section and see what equals 8. Now, if I have 10 and I take away 2, I know that equals 8. I have a 10 frame. I've already got 8 in there, 2 spaces. Now, let's see. What if I had 18, oh, getting big, minus 10. Take away 10 equals 8. Or I could do 28 minus 20 equals 8. What would happen if I had 108 and I took away 100? What do I have now? Man, I'm getting crazy today. Now I challenge you, go get crazy, mathematicians. See what fun problems you can come up with. Make them big numbers. Go get crazy and use your brain to think about the number 8 today. Best of luck.